Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about how to trade breakouts and what you see to actually make a decision for breakout. In this recap, I'm going to talk about the indicator that I'm using and one of the most important tools that you need to trade breakouts through the live trade and live recording examples of my trades. Also, I want to show you one of the trades that I have for breaking news. President Trump tweeted something about PLTR, and right in real time, we took a trade for breaking news on PLTR. Let's watch this recap, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in this video.
All right, good morning, everybody. We had an amazing trading day today on AMD, and I want to do a quick recap what we saw today. So markets, we had two trades on AMD and on PLTR, which was a breaking news on a President Trump tweet. So AMD broke out on a daily chart very nicely above 235, and what we saw on the market atlas was a big order to the upside. So, market atlas, we're using 250 here. You see there's big orders on the market atlas. So we usually look into the bigger orders on the market atlas if you want to get a breakout. So what we saw at the open, obviously opened very strong. So this is the strategy that I'm using, opening range breakout, opened very strong. And we saw the orders to the upside stacking up. So we went long for 1 minute opening range breakout at 241. We got a really nice move up to 43. I added more, went back up to 244. And it came down to VWAP and I got stopped out. Came back up, bounced back from the VWAP. So let me show it to you here closer. So went back up, added 242, 243, 245, all the way up to getting to around 250. And as you see here, 250 is still the big orders are stacking up. I have some screenshots of the trades that we during this time. I have some screenshots that show how the orders are stacking up to the upside, and that's where you really want to go toward long, because the order price action usually moves toward the big asks up there. Right now, as you see here, 250 is a big order, and if I go to the 5-minute chart, you see here there was a very nice 5-minute opening range breakup, and I think I'm really hopeful that it's going to go back up to 250, and I have some orders here to sell. In terms of positions that I have, I don't have a lot. I have only 1,300 shares left. The average is 244. It was a big trade on it, two trades. So as you see here, the P&L as of now is $49,000. There's one trade that we had on PLTR, which I'm gonna show it to you as well. So overall, it was a really, really great trade. I have Microsoft puts today that is I'm gonna probably assign today. And for the next week, I sold Microsoft covered calls at 380. So we'll see how Microsoft is rolling out for next week. So that was the trade, and I'm going to show you a couple of screenshots that we had at the open, so for you to see what we saw at the open. So this is the first screenshot that I have. So as you see here, we took this trade on 1 minute opening range breakout, and at that time, you see the big order at 245. So we had the big order at 245. So 245 was just above the high of the day. We had another trade. So again, the time 9:41. As you see, when we got to 245, it's going to continue going toward the 245. Then again 248 at 9:45:39. The orders are going to go up toward 240. As you see here, the reason that I added here was that because we had the big order at 248. So again, the orders are telling you the direction. It's very clear that it's going higher and higher. After that, it's going to go to 250, again 9:48:55, and that order at 250 stays since the beginning. Is still there. And as you see here at 9:51:36, I'm still in there, and I'm hoping to get to that. And then that was around the time that the president tweeted. Somebody in the chat room mentioned that here at around 7:32, which is 10:32 a.m. This time is Pacific time. Somebody, Pete DeCosta, mentioned that the president just tweeted about PLTR. So we quickly look at the price action, and people actually posted that what president said. President said PLTR has proven to great war fighting capability and equipment. Just ask our enemies. So that really caused the PLTR really to pop up. I quickly look into PLTR, and I saw that the heavy volume is coming. The order started really stacking up at 130, and that was a really sign for me to really go look at the volume that is coming here. So as soon as the president tweeted, the volume came in. The volume is the key here. So heavy volume started, and rip happened. I went long 127, sold up all the way up to 129. It came down to my break-even point. I got stopped out, consolidated, and now it looks like it's really slowly wants to go higher. But that was great. And if you go back to the PLTR, still there are big orders at 130 stacking up here. So the price action was very bullish. So when it's really ripping up like this with heavy volume, that's a really bullish sign.
If you want to practice trading, make sure to check Trading Terminal Simulator, and we have a $50,000 funded training account that based on that practice, if you make money after 3 months, you can actually take profit. Let me know how you did, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments.
But the best trade was AMD. So the AMD now it's slowly grinding up to 249, 250. So I still have order, and again, if I want to bring Market Atlas, is 250. So yesterday we traded. So AMD, as you see here, is in a very, very bullish pattern. I think today is going to go to 250. Yesterday we traded short on PLTR. PLTR, has been really getting crushed in the last 3 days. It's because Michael Berry and there's some short reporting on that. So really sold off. But today, President really saved the price action. Now really was breaking down about this February lows, and now it's kind of bouncing back. So because the president tweeted, so fundamentally the price action has changed. So now it's it might really go back up or stop the selling of PLTR. But AMD was really the best trade. And again, yesterday we traded PLTR based on Market Atlas, and Market Atlas is really the best tool that you can see to tell you the direction of the price. And now, as you see here, still the big orders are stacking up 250. And I'm hoping that we really get this price over to 250. You just have to be patient, because at this time of the day, at 11 a.m., so you really don't get big breakouts. So slowly going up. And it turned out to be an amazing trading day. Yesterday was also a really great trading day. So we posted the newsletters, and it's all about getting these amazing breakouts. It's really simple. My trading is really simple. It's not easy, but it's really simple, because you see price action has to be strong. So this is a really nice ABCD pattern: bull flag, price action, opening range breakout, and with some signals that you see in Market Atlas, you can easily get this breakout and continue getting your orders toward the upside. As you see, I have orders sitting up at 250, even though I don't have a lot of shares left, but it's really amazing. Brian also had a couple of really good trading days, some really good trading on AMD and Tesla. And NVIDIA was another one that really moved really nicely. Yeah. NVIDIA is going up, and Brian traded that, and NVIDIA has big order at 189.50 and has, I think now 190. Yeah, there's really big orders at 190. Brian, what was the best trade that you did? NVIDIA?
Yeah, no, I did. You traded AMD. I traded NVIDIA. NVIDIA was not quite as clean as AMD, but I still got a nice trade and a pullback. I added on it, and then stopped out. And then I actually joined you on the AMD trade because it was cleaner.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And for PLTR, you traded the pop, and then when it kind of stalled out, I traded the pullback. So make money both ways.
That was amazing. Yeah, that was great, guys. So if you guys want to trade live with us in the chat room, if you're in YouTube, guys, so you can come. We see all the screen that you're seeing here. We share it, and it's really fun environment. And again, if it wasn't for Peter Acosta today in the chat room, I would have missed this PLTR. Eventually, Benzinga announced it, but Benzinga announced it a little bit later. So the chat room is really the best, to get. It's like 1,000 people are looking at the market on your behalf, and they share with you the best that they can have. All right, guys, have a good weekend, and I'm really looking forward to see you all next week. It's really exciting. The market just keeps giving us, and I had a really great week coming back from Egypt. All the best, guys, and make sure that if you have any question, leave in the comments.